Let's continue the remaining part of this story. And so, we have already discussed in the previous part. The story continues. Once Anil told him that I can't pay you. Suddenly, the thief thought that I have misjudged my man. My man means my target. Misjudge, mis means wrong. So we say that probably it is his wrong calculation. He was wrong in spotting the target. It means he thought that probably Anil was his wrong target and it all happened due to his own miscalculation. But he continued further and said, can you feed me? Anil said, can you cook? Hari answered, I can cook. But he again lied. It was not a true statement. Hari can't cook. But he lied again. Why? He tell a lie again. Why? Because anyhow he want to be with him. He want to go his place of living, his residence. And so he lied to him. And so Anil replied, if you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. He say that it is a conditional sentence. If you can cook, condition. And in that condition, the other part of the sentence, maybe I can feed you. It means if you are going to fulfill this particular condition, then the next part may happen. So what is the first? What is the condition? The condition that you know how to cook. And so what is the result of this one? Probably Anil may feed him, give him food. Now the story continues. He took me to his room over the Jamna sweet shop. Very interesting place. Jamna sweet shop. And he provided him a place, that is a balcony. Okay. And now he has been given the task of cooking. But what happened? So here you will find that, but the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible. Terrible here, very bad. Because Anil gave it to a stray dog. Stray means here wandering. You will find that there are many dogs on the road. Okay, no one is the owner of that dog. That is known as the stray dog. And told me to be off. To be off. It means be off means run away. Go away. So here I am going to read it out again. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible. So we are going to remove that night. Our sentence is very clear. The meal I cooked, even you are going to remove I cooked that night. So the sentence is, the meal must have been terrible. It means the meal, the food prepared or cooked by Hari, surely very bad. But how do you know it? The reason has been mentioned. Okay, reason has been mentioned. What is the reason? The meal must have been very bad. How do you know it? Because Anil gave that meal or food to a stray dogs and even told him run away. But you know that Hari is a experienced thief. So at the place of running away, at the place of moving from there, he hung around. He remained there. He did not moved away. And smiling in my most appealing way, and he could not help laughing. And in this way, Anil could not stop his laughter. Later, he patted me. Pat means show affection on the head and said, never mind. Never mind means don't mind. And then he said, he would teach me to cook. So the first, he say that, don't worry. Okay. Don't get disheartened. Anil told him that I will teach you to cook. But above all, he also taught me to write my name and and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. So here we are going to uh, these lines are very important. These sentences are very important. What is that? The first, he would teach him. Second, he also or he would teach him to write his name, write whole sentences, and would teach him adding numbers. These are the most important lessons. And so it was really attraction. It was a good attraction for him. So Hari Singh accepted that. I was grateful. Why? Now there is a silver lining. There is a ray of hope. What is the ray of hope? That once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. That means he thought that if I am able to read and write, then there is no limitation, there is no boundary of the achievement. In which area? Naturally, it is in the area of his profession, stealing. He is a thief. So he thought that if I know how to read and write, if I am going to behave like an educated person, then there is no limitation of his success in this profession of stealing. And so he find a silver lining there. And so, in this way, both of them interacting with one another, and the story continues. So, here I am going to sum up it up. Anil took Hari to his room, which was above a sweet shop. Hari cooked a meal which was really bad because Anil did not eat that food, and Anil asked Hari to leave, but Hari tried to please Anil. Hari smiled in his most attractive way, and Anil could not stop laughing looking at him. Finally, Anil agreed to teach Hari how to cook, write full sentences, and add numbers. Hari was grateful as he knew that there would be no limit to robbing people once he learned how to read and write. But you don't know. Once you are being educated, you are going to be a changed person because education transforms a person's personality. We will find in the later part of the story. Now, moving further, the narrator used to like working for Anil as he used to make him tea in the morning, then go out to buy groceries. Groceries means the essential item of the house for the domestic work. Groceries like atta, chawal, these are the groceries for the day. He also used to steal 1 rupee from the money that was given to him to buy the groceries every day. And he knew that he used to steal, but he did not mind. And in this way, we find that the story continues further, and it is really exciting that what happened to Hari and how Anil was able to transform a thief like Anil. So we will discuss about this one the next week.